everybody. Once again, CB Radio's Pronto. Looking at a Astatic 636 noise canceling microphone. One of the best sounding microphones that you'll ever use in terms of a noise canceling mic. Great for mobile use and bass use as far as that goes. I'm going to go ahead and key it up.
Audio check 1 2, testing 1 2. Fantastic audio quality. Now this is maybe the best noise canceling microphone in terms of sound quality. The Ranger 198 is one of my favorites as well. The one thing I like about this microphone is just the clarity. If you get a little bit too close to the talkback speaker, it tends to want to squeal a little bit. You can just pick that up just a little, whereas the 198 won't do that near as easily. It's not that sensitive, but the noise canceling qualities on this is fantastic. Sound quality is fantastic. If you need one, you have any questions, give us a call or email us. CB Radio's Pronto. Alrighty, thank you very much. Have a great day.